Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun and easy way to turn any regular photo into a cute Thanksgiving Polaroid using Dreamface app. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store, and then when installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer free weekly credit, so you can try this effect without paying anything. Okay. And then next, after you log in, you will see the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on AI filters. And then just scroll down until you find Thanksgiving Day sections. This one. And then next just scroll down again and then just choose a filter that called turkey hat, this one, and then just select the photo that you want to transform. Make sure the face is clearly visible for the best results. And once you're done selecting the photo, just tap on animate. Okay, like this, just look at this, look at how cute this is. Your regular photo is now a fun Thanksgiving Polaroid, complete with adorable turkey hat, and it's so cute, it's so super cute. And then next, if you like it, you can save it to your gallery, and then you can also share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. So easy and super fun, right? Don't If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.